Hi, God. Sorry. Hi, Goddess of Love here again. Kamusta kayo dyan, mga goddess ko? So, yeah, another reading na naman tayo today for the air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So, yan, no, binabagalan ko yung salita ko, no, kasi yung ibang videos ko, no, pinanood ko, ang bilis ko para magsalita, no. So, yeah, no, so, yeah, let's see, no, anong current situation current situation nyo no sa inyong career no mga air signs natin diyan, and also possible lucky numbers no within this week for you no, lucky numbers or color no kung may makuha tayo for you mga air signs. So yeah, let's start with you, Gemini. So kamusta kayo diyan, mga Gemini natin no? So let's see anong sitwasyon meron ka sa iyong career no right now, mga Gemini natin no. Anong career situation mo right now, Gemini? So kuha tayo ng two cards for you, Gemini no. Career situation for Gemini, this universe, no? What is your career situation right now, Gemini? So, tignan natin to. So, you have this, no, Gemini, no? Friends gossiping about you, no? So, yan, no, for some of you, Gemini, no? Meron kang mga kaibigan, no, na chinichismis ka, no? So, yan, no, maybe ay kung sa business man ito ay maybe ay kasi bakit ba naman nagchichismis ang mga tao, right? Because may nakikita silang something sa'yo and hindi nila yun matanggap, right? Kaya sila nagchichismis, kaya sila bitter, no? Something like that, di ba? So, wag mo silang alalahanin, no, mga Gemini, no? So, kung businessman yan, maybe naiinggit yan. Maybe your business is growing, right? No? So, kung job man, no? So, pinagchichismisan ka sa job, no? So, don't mind them, no? Maybe you have this potential, no? Right? No? Maybe for some of you are, in a promotion, no? Coming up, merong promotion na mangyayari, no? For some of you, kaya pinagchichismisan kayo, no? And of course, kung nag-aaral pa lang kayo, no, wag mo intindihin mga classmates mo, right, no? Mag-aral ka lang mabuti, no, Gemini. So, what else? So, yeah, no, after you, money, no, gifts, no. So, for some of you, no, this is a warning, Gemini, no, people around you, no, kaya lang sila nandyan kasi nakakakuha sila, no, nagbe-benefit sila sa iyo, Gemini, no. So, maybe talaga ay maganda ang nagiging career mo right now. That's why may mga lumalapit sa iyo na kunwari ay into you, no? Or kunyari ay by your side, no? Something like that, no? So, but then, be mindful kasi karamihan dyan, no? Ay binabackstab ka pala, no? Pinagchichismisan ka, 'di ba? Inaalam lang talaga ano tong mga ginagawa mo, no? And then, gusto lang nila yung nakukuha nila sa'yo, Gemini, no? So, be aware of this. Be vigilant, no? Sa mga taong kinakasalamuha mo or nagiging kaibigan mo because not all of them are true to you, right? No? So, let's see what's the possible lucky numbers for you, Gemini, for this week, no? Kuha tayo ng 6 cards for you, Gemini. Possible lucky numbers for this week, and kung may makuha tayong colors, right? No? So, 3, 4, 5, 6, no? So, let's see. Parang lumalabo yung ating no? So, let's see what are your cards, no, Gemini. So, you have this 8, infinity to, no? So, maybe for some of you, Gemini, life path nyo is number 8, no? So, you have this 11, no? Angel number 11, no? You can check it out sa Google din, no? So, there is a message for you, no, mga Gemini, from your angel guides, right? So, you also have 3. And again, no, 2, no? This is also an angel number, no? So, yeah, search. So, you have 11 din, no? 'Di ba? So you have 11, no, for some of you, no, Gemini, no? So, meron kayong 11-11 dito, Angel. Meron talagang message for you. And last is you have 29. So, meron talagang message talaga dito sa inyo, mga Gemini natin. So, alam nyo, parang lahat to 111, no, Gemini. So, what I see here, no? So, talagang connected kayo sa 11 or 11-11, something like that, no? So, kasi kung 9 plus 2 is equals to 11, right? And 8 plus 3 is equals to 11 din, no? 'Di ba? So you have more 11s here, no? 111. Maybe there is something great, no, na mangyayari for you, mga Gemini, no? So that's what I feel here, no? So good luck sa inyo, mga Gemini, no? So yeah, that's it, no? So siguro lagi rin kayong nakakakita ng mga synchronicities, right, no? 11-11, 1-1-1-1-1, no? Something like that, no? You are so connected sa one, Gemini, no? So i-search nyo yan, no? Kung anong message for you. So yeah, that's it for you, Gemini, no? So I hope naka-resonate kayo sa ating reading today, no? For you, Gemini. Yeah, God bless you all, Gemini. So, yeah, no? Let's proceed to you, Libra. So, yeah, kamusta kayo dyan, mga Libra natin, no? So, anong meron sa inyong career right now, mga Libra, no? So, yeah, kuha tayo ng 2 cards for you, Libra, no? So, let's see what's the situation, no? Regardless sa career ng mga Libra, right? So, let's see. So, be mindful of your decisions daw, no, ang mga Libra, no? So, maybe meron kayong mga kailangan pagdesisyonan, no, regarding sa inyong career, no, mga Libra. Siguro, may mga pinagpipilian kayo, no? So, sinasabi dito ay be mindful, no? So, kung ano man itong mga pagdesisyonan nyo, maybe may mga options, no? Something like that, no? So, kailangan nyo pag-aralang mabuti, no? Bago kayo pumasok sa isang kung ano man itong mga sisimulan yung career, no? Something like that, Libra. So, what else? So, yeah, no? Parehas kay Gemini, no? Because there is some people, no? Around you, no? Friends, or maybe, no? Colleagues, whatever, no? But then, people around you na hindi maganda, no? Ang intention, no? Pinagchichismisan kayo, sinisiraan kayo, no? Something like that, mga Libra, no? Kaya kailangan talaga ay maging uh, vigilant, no, sa mga tao sa paligid nyo, mga Libra, no? So, kasi ay pwede silang magsabotahe, no, sa inyong career, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no? So, maybe kung ano man to mga ginagawa niya sa buhay nyo, mga Libra, ay isarili nyo muna kasi maraming nakaabang, no? For some of you, no? So, yeah, ayun yung nakikita ko dito. And what else, no? So, let's see what are your possible lucky number within this week, no? Or color kung may makuha tayo. So, kuha tayo ng 6 cards for you, Libra. So, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, no? So, let's see. Ano yung mga cards na yan for you, Libra? So, you have this number 10. So, also, no, you have this yellow rin, no? Oh, meron ding red, no? Dalawa ang iyong lucky na colors. So, you have this 31, 15, no, tatlo yung color mo ngayon, Libra, no, parang rainbow na lang, kulang na lang, no. So, yan, no, you have yellow, red, and green, no, Libra, no. So, yan, no, maybe, ito yung mga possible na, ito yung mga colors mo, no, within this week, no. So, you can wear this, bring something na ganito ang mga colors, right, no. So, you can attract positivity, no, Libra, no. So, marami kayong kulay, no? Yellow, red, green, no? So, parang traffic light lang, no? Libra, no? Right? No, maybe mahilig kayong mag-travel, right? No? So, for some of you, Libra, palagi kayong araw-araw nakakita ng traffic light, no? Something like that kasi yellow, red, green, no? So, parang connected to sa kalsada, no? Something like that, mga Libra. So, maybe ay sinasabi rin dito, no, maybe ang career nyo or maybe araw-araw kayong nagbibiyahe, no, mga Libra, no. So, yan, no, parang may connection to, parang sinasabi dito is mag-iingat, no? Mag-iingat sa biyahe, no, mga Libra. Araw-araw, kung araw-araw kayong nagbabiyahe, no, mga Libra. So, also you have this possible lucky numbers mo within this week is 10, 15, and 31. No? So, you are connected din sa 1, no, mga Libra, no? So, maybe lagi kayong nakakakita ng 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, no? So, synchronicities, no? There is an angel message also for you, mga Libra, no. So yeah, so ayan ang reading sa iyo for this week, no, mga Libra natin, no. So yeah, I hope naka-resonate kayo with this reading, no, Libra, and yeah, thank you and God bless you all, Libra. So yeah, no, let's proceed to you, no, Aquarius, no, Aquarius. Aquarius, no. So yeah, kamusta kayo dyan, mga Aquarius natin dyan? So tignan natin what's the current situation, no, for you, Aquarius, sa inyong mga career, right? So kuha tayo ng 2 cards for you, Aquarius, no. So 1, 2. So tignan natin yan. So you have this, no, parehas kay Libra, no, be mindful of your decisions, no. So talagang parang connected lang kasi kayo, no, mga air signs, no. So be mindful of your decision, no. Siguro may mga kailangan kayong pagdesisyonan regardless sa inyong career right now, no, mga Aquarius. Kaya sabi dito ay pag-isipan yung mabuti bago kayo magdesisyon. Kailangan alamin nyo muna yung, kasi for some of you, ang air signs kasi, no, ano yan eh, medyo advance mag-isip yan, right? No, so maybe ay kailangan din dito ay kumbaga parang tignan mo muna yung present, no, before jumping dun sa future, right? Kasi ang future di pa naman nangyayari yan eh. So tignan mo muna yung present situation, kung ano yung makakabuti. Something like that, no? So maybe that could help for you to make the decision, no, right? Kasi kung masyado tayong advance mag-isip na hindi pa naman nangyayari, possible na hindi yun mangyayari because inuunahan na natin, right? No? So what else? So yan, for some of you, no, it's a confirmation, no, for some of you, you are a tarot reader, no, so ito yung career din nyo, no, or maybe this will be the start of a new career for you, mga Aquarius, no. So take what's resonate lang, no, kung sino lang nakaka-relate dito, no. So yeah, for some of you, no, you are this, no, you have this ability na to read cards, no, mga Aquarius natin dyan. So it's a confirmation for you na you will be a tarot reader din, no. So yeah, kung nagkakaroon ka ng interest sa tarot readings, right? No, so tignan naman natin possible lucky numbers or color for you within this week, no, mga Aquarius natin. So, kuha tayo ng 6 cards for you, Aquarius, no. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So, yeah, let's see what is that cards, no? What are those cards? So, tingnan natin. So, you have 33, no? Angel number 33, no? Again, check nyo sa Google, no? Kung anong message for you ng inyong mga angels, right? Aquarius. So, you also have 39. So, meron na kayong 33 dito, no? Tatlong 3. So, angel number again, no? So, synchronicities talaga ito, mga Aquarius. So, what else? You have this 25, 44, no? Also an angel number. 12, and 59, no? So, yan, no? You are connected sa 3, no? So, 333, no? So, and of course, meron ka ding 44, no? So, you can check it out, no? Sa Google, no? So, check mo yung message sa'yo ng iyong angel guides, no? Kung saan ka mas makaka-resonate doon kasi iba-iba yung messages doon. So, yeah, no? That's it for you, Aquarius, no? So, yan, no? Kapag nakita mo to again, no, repeatedly, no, within this week, no, itong mga numbers na ito, right, there is good news, no, or positive news na marireceive, no, something like that, no. So within this week, no, mga Aquarius. So yeah, that's it for you, Aquarius, no. So I hope naka-resonate ka sa iyong reading today, mga Aquarius natin dyan, no. So yeah, overall, no, air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius, no. So yeah, no, marami kayong synchronicities dito, no. So maybe there is really a message si universe sa inyo, mga air signs natin dyan. So, kailangan nyo silang intindihin mabuti because parang may warning dito na um, be mindful sa mga decisions, no? Meron siguro kayong kailangan pagdesisyonan, mga air signs, no? Kailangan yung pag-isipang mabuti, no? So yeah, no? That's it for you, mga air signs natin dyan, no? So, um, have faith lang na lahat ay malalagpasan nyo to, no? So, whatever it is, no? Believe in yourself and of course kay God, no? Sa ating source, right? No? So, yeah, that's it. And um, God bless you all, air signs, and thank you for watching Air Signs